Morning, ma'am. Is your need? Hello.
Hey guys, so in my last video I talked to you guys about how to get clientele for your feet pics, and you guys seem to really enjoy that video. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to take feet pics to sell to your new customers. So if you guys are interested, keep watching. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have this lamp. This is just a lamp I got, I think, at Walmart, and I just put some fluorescent light bulbs in there. They don't look fluorescent on camera, but they are fluorescent light. I also have my regular ceiling light on. I have this lamp right here, and you want as much lighting as possible. Ignore my ugly cords. You want to have as much lighting as possible to make sure that your pictures turn out really good. So the most common asked thing from my foot customers, I would say, is like crinkled toes, like feet flexes, and my soles. So what I like to do is just, oh, there you go, now you can tell it's fluorescent. I just kind of like to point this light down, and I usually will like put my feet right here or something, and I'll try to do like a decent looking background or something. So I know this pillow is not the greatest, but just bear with me, guys. So I try to get the light pointed like right on my feet so that I have really good lighting. So number one, you want to make sure that your toes are done. Some people will ask for you to have specific colors on your toes. So ignore my legs, they're kind of hairy. I'm sorry, you guys. Yeah, so they might ask for a specific color. There's like dirt or something on my nail and it's bothering me. But anyways, so I usually just do like a white or a pink, or I think the most commonly asked for colors are white, pink, and red. So I usually just keep either a white or a pink, because as you can see, that's like, pink is obviously my favorite color. So that's just usually my choice. My feet are really tan right now, so I have like tan lines in between. I try to like open my toes and everything when I'm in the tanny bed, but you know. Anyways, I will take some like kind of like stretch my toes out however I can. Like I'll put them in like just kind of like move my toes around, and I will be snapping pics as I do this. So you can just do like different kinds of poses so that you'll have more content quicker. So some people will actually like tell you specific poses that they want. I don't really have many that do, so I just kind of, you know, try to think of things. I really just move my toes around, whatever feet pics I think come out good. Those are the ones I'll put my watermark on and sell. Sole poses. So for this sole poses, I like to sit in my recliner. I have my armrest of my couch right here, and I'll usually just kind of like put my feet up on the couch. So you want to make sure that your light is still coming on the soles of your feet so that they can see. And then when they say like wrinkled soles like this, like you can bend your toes down like this. You can go side to side, just kind of stick out your toe and push the rest of your feet or the rest of your toes to the side. You can even, some of them will want like feet flexes. So if they want feet flexes, I'll usually do a few like this. Or if they want some with your face, I usually put my feet like at this angle, and then I'll like shift my body over. Sometimes I'll even like grab my feet with my fingers. You can point, flex, turn, you know, just kind of wiggle your feet around. Sometimes I take them in the floor as well, so I'm going to move my camera and show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so usually if I am sitting on the floor, Excuse my doggy. I'll try to have the camera more towards my feet, but where you can also see my face. So like this, you can crisscross, you can kind of just give them like a sneak peek of the soles. She loves my toes. She always thinks I'm playing with her. Like this, like this, this. And then if you don't want your face in them, I usually will just cover my face with my feet. And like so. So I'm just gonna show you guys some pictures that I just did a few days ago and that I just sold. I sold these for $100 for all of them. If you guys are interested in buying feet content from me, I will put my Instagram down below. You can just DM me, let me know that's what you're looking for, what kind of pictures you want, and I will let you know. If I can or can't do them. All I do is feet pics and feet videos. I don't really do anything else. That's just my personal choice. But if you guys are interested in some feet content, I will have my Instagram down here. So you guys who are not buying feet content, please follow my Instagram. You guys can DM me, I will answer you. I just love having my supporters and I'm just very thankful for you guys. We're almost at 200 subscribers, so that's super freaking awesome. Thank you guys. Also, if you like my feet content, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and I will make more videos of this for you guys. These are the pictures that I sold for $100. I did 10 for $100, $10 a piece basically. Yeah, I actually had 2 customers buy these, so I made $200 off of them. That's the great thing about selling feet pictures is you don't always have to have new ones. If you have a new customer and it's content that hasn't been seen before, you can reuse the content. And so sometimes you don't even have to put in any work. Sometimes it's almost like free money and you're making somebody else happy. So I love teaching you guys like how to make money, and I just want us all to be successful in life. I am a super emotional person and I hate watching videos of like people who don't have homes and stuff like that. It makes me so sad, like, and I just don't want that for anyone. So I really want to educate people and help people become successful in life. And something about this is all you need literally is a phone, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.